In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Lovable. Renaming a project might seem like a simple task, but ensuring you do it correctly can save you a lot of hassle and maintain your organization. So, whether you're updating your project to reflect a new direction, aligning it more closely with its contents, or simply correcting a typo, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity. First, you'll want to navigate to the main page of Lovable, where you can see all the projects listed. This is known as the All Projects view, and it's the hub for all your current and past work within the platform. Take a moment to glance through the list, either visually scanning or using the search function if you have a large number of projects. Once you have identified the project you intend to rename, focus your attention there. Finding the right project is crucial, especially in cases where multiple team members might be managing or editing different tasks. Misnaming a project could lead to confusion, so double check to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Upon locating your intended project, look to the right side of its listing. You'll notice a small icon composed of 3 vertical dots, often referred to as a More Options or Menu button. This icon gives you access to additional actions related to the project. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. It might be helpful to know that this menu houses various project management functions and options, such as deleting the project, managing settings, or viewing collaborators. However, for today's purpose, our concern is with the Rename option. Once the menu is open, you should clearly see the option to rename. By selecting Rename, you'll be prompted to enter the new name you have chosen for your project. Think carefully about what this name should be. Ideally, it should be descriptive and concise, giving anyone viewing the list an immediate understanding of the project's content or purpose. Typographical errors can easily occur, so be cautious and double-check your entry before confirming. Once you're satisfied with your choice, complete the renaming process by applying or saving the changes. That's all there is to it. You've successfully renamed your project in Lovable. This straightforward process can be completed in just a few moments, but can significantly impact your workflow organization and control. Consolidating accurate, up-to-date project names aids in maintaining clarity and efficiency for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and feel free to